how do you see Ghana?
Oh, Ghana is very good. Well, I need to I love Ghana better, but
And I hope it's the Efia so no Niaji, Oba Ghana and Niaji.
Efia.
Oh yeah, I really like Ghana. I like the food; it's really spicy.
Yeah,
Come Sipiata.
Yeah, I like.
And the raining for
and it's raining so much.
So no Fufonia Benquano.
I didn't like the food. I don't.
You don't like
food. No.
You like plantain cover and contomra bomo.
Exactly. Yeah, I like.
What about Nipana? You see, you're trained Nippano. I feel no all Bantino. Enche. Obama. Oh, Obenche. Yeah. Oh, company.
I hope everything is cool.
Oh, cool.
Nigga.
Yeah.
Hi.
Super.
Yeah.
Welcome to Akaba.
You know about Efia the Aquatan.
Oh, there be. Where the many penny?
When you be that. This is the professional driver. He can guide you to any place, any moment.
Oh,
not to accept.
Oh, you have to be that. So say, I can't no time now. The year you want the time the year you want. What's a beautiful phone all the time the year you want. Tell me, can't then it's guess. Oh, you're fast. Then it back.
Post time now, I'm disappointed.
Nipana, wouldn't conform me. And I'm saying, I mean, no one more. Just a casa who be bring a church and conform with you. I didn't know wasting time.
Why a searchlight can see more, Mr. Munjin.
This is the guy I was talking about. Yeah, I'm an
okay, okay. What a guama is a guana. You know this guy, you know my language.
Me all languages. But
professional man, he can teach you anything, like any language.
Take you
provide.
Okay, so
he's a provider.
Company. And I make a choice.
Oh, boss.
No. Maybe come is a one for time when you're man.
He's taking it out.
Yeah.
No, it's not the one who's going to take you out. We have the one.
Anyone you go take is a
oh,
this is the professional one.
Yeah, this is the man.
This
no, yeah, there was when you do.
Yeah, beautiful.
Who you fake?
One a fake.
Well,
only language.
Oh, catch was when you will be a
who degree way? Green card way? Oh, green card. Green card.
Hey, man. Shut your mouth on my house.
Because what disappoints me, pa. You're my parents, you. News of one. What if I grab a one for?
That's a quote, not professional.
This is his old green card.
Master, it's not about green card. Language is not.
What a green card?
Who John? Who are professional? Who John?
What if Casa who am here? Now you can form with your manante.
No, I'm not manante. Christian, you be a fabrication, but from the bedroom, wait. Hey, man, you family do a manante. What but you punish will be back or no be in. It's what about class.
Me what about Ghana? Why not here?
When I do say go finante.
Hey,
me what the team partner me what you say go finante nanante.
Get 3 bag Ghana.
Get 3. Me na me parliament.
Massa.
Mohammed Ali Ghana.
It's okay, man. It's okay.
Massa, hey, if you talk about languages and in Chile mood,
opening a boy, Ubian in a Juma. Okay, what dear no fan of Bibi Memo or Ghana had dear. Bronivio Betias Bia. Don't more by men of the don't more nam. Wow, and Yakasa. May what about Ghana, Memen am denenam. Joseph Kwame Hill culture free. Yi Jamaica by me na the culture enam nansan ya Shatawale be kumas me nam di Shatawale anim de nenam what language more languages aye me dwuma me ye okay na me nya me say we me nipa no no what anim de obetumi ya listen to me man's daughter, you don't have any Chi language, you don't like Chi. You speak only English. Open, you don't have Dutch. You don't have problem.
Quickly. The attorney say, me brand, meaning wife. Yeah, Miss Rowe. Cassano, on Tibia, and who I wouldn't men and church and the also a day. Way, this will be Sinocrana, all language, no better, no better here. No, what I know, the same man for none until Cotadia, Mono one time. Only be understanding for pay by a moko baby. Maybe a moko on our place, maybe a crown and an yeah, you want to take away your sin, any high. Okay, you talk, you find daughter.
I'm tired. I'm trying to stay here. I want us to go.
What do you want?
I want to get some food. I want to go see the mall. I want to see like around the
Wanna see
neighborhood.
more? Come on, let's go too.
Okay, okay.
Hey, man,
so-
hey, you are correct. I like you, man. I like you.
Okay, Daddy, so we're gonna go.
Yeah, you can go. You can go. Yeah.
Alright, so-
Ti woni abibia ni ahon. Wo de wan so be ye
Oh, man, yes.
calculation bibia ba na.
Calculation.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, so I'll see you later.
Yeah. My daughter.
Take care of
Bye.
yourself,
Alright.
Don't
okay?
hang your brother.
What?
Don't hang your brother.
I'll give you a hug. Alright, alright, baby.
Take care of
bye.
yourself,
Yeah,
okay?
bye-bye.
Okay.
All right.
Boy,
Will you go? We.
what you need?
Miss E, what do you who obey?
We. You need put tina say a mamma.
I have de na ya no no.
Na woman ba ko no ba no say no ka shemo.
Or no tire kwa kenken kwa on de no. We apart from French near you French no ko bubum. Yeah, meaning so do te obubum. Afa be wi ase no bo nu amo makoche akra no mabo no.
Laptop no really black.
I want to go this way. I want to see.
Let's pass here. Me na me de won am let's pass here. Ah, yeah, but you know you flick am say what control say adai. Why you behaving like that?
First of all, why are you shouting?
Who shouting?
Because I want to go to Barcelona.
I'm not sorry. I said let's pass
But
here.
I want to go to Barcelona.
What I'm saying, let's pass here.
All right,
I'm
let's go.
shouting.
Let's go. Let's just go.
I'm shouting.
Shut up. Let's go.
I'm shouting.
Look, can we go? You said we should go. Let's go.
What's your second and the Diablo children want to watch it? When I'm at the one, I'm saying, who shake you to our own and our own?
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? No, tell me who you talking to.
Tell me, need the other now.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Speak. When you talk to me, can you speak English? My dad said you are an interpreter. You understand every language. Why you keep speaking tree to me? You know I don't know what the hell you're saying.
But you from Ghana, so I
It don't matter, but I was raised in New York. I'm not. Can we just go? Because you're just doing too much right now.
What do you see? I see a more.
What are you saying? Who are you saying? Who are you talking
Let's
to?
pass here.
You just said we should go. Okay, now you say we should
I
go.
want to hear who that's not black. And you're going to go to chocolate to the
You just said we should come this way. Now you tell me we should go over there. What's over there? It's just food. I don't want to eat food. I'm not hungry right now. I want to go to Rock Mama's.
Now you're going to say, Johnny, be more one.
What? What you said?
I say, let's go. You say pass here.
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
Always shouting. Like, why are you so rude?
Who's shouting? Who's shouting?
But why are you so
You
rude?
two shouting or me shouting?
Because you started first.
I'm not shouting.
You started first.
I'm not shouting. I said let's pass here, then you say let's pass here. Let's go.
Look at your voice right now. Can you lower your voice? We're in the public
So you
space.
two, can
People
you
are
lower
looking
your
at us.
voice?
My voice is very low. This is how I talk.
And me too, my voice is the same
Oh,
like
my
your voice.
goodness, This man is not serious. I'm gonna
And
call
me
my
too, my
father.
voice is the same
I'm
like
gonna
your voice.
I'm gonna call my dad and like, cause you're doing too much right now.
So why are you going? Just going.
I said let's go this way.
So do you know that?
All I see is food over there. I don't want to eat food. I want to go this way.
Food,
I'm not. I don't. I want to go this way. I
You
don't
didn't
want,
eat before, so why?
but I'm not hungry right now. I want to go buy some stuff over there. Why are you shouting?
Who's shouting?
People are looking at us. You don't.
And you two shouting. Don't ever shouting. If you're shouting on me, I want to get it. Go back.
Look, I want to get the hair. I want to get hair. They sell hair over there. I want to get hair. Can we go to the hair place? I'm sorry. What?
I say you need to go get a help. Where are you going?
I want to get hair. Hair.
Me
Like
lead you.
personal
Your
hair.
help?
Hair.
Yeah, let's go.
That's what I said.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm not saying nothing. I'm saying nothing.
Why are you walking so slow?
Who walking so slow? So can you run like a sailboat?
I want to get the hair. How much money did my dad give you? How much did he
Your
give
daddy, he didn't give you nothing.
you? What?
Your dad, he giving.
Okay, but you have money on you, so you're just gonna tell him.
So why you want?
I want to get hair and I want to get makeup.
Hello.
Hi. I wanted to just look at your hair that you have here.
What did you think me for? Why are you looking me? I just Mama mia Cafredonche, Bosta, Commissi Piata. I told you before that I hate what you are coming from. I hate you are coming from. Yeah. Man, when I come there and catch you, your face, you don't know.
Don't shout at me. You can't be shouting at me.
I'll come here. I'll call you back.
The hell? You so fucking rude. Well, what you looking at? Don't look at me.
Daddy,
I don't know who the hell this guy is, but I don't like him. I don't like him. He's rude.
Why you saying to your father?
You're rude.
Why you saying to your father?
Because you're rude. You don't do nothing but talk.
Kevin!
Call the guy who introduced us. Me, I don't like this guy. Call the guy who
blah, 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 blah. Why?
Me, I can't stand this. I can't even stand this side hand.
Don't tell me bullshit.
You stink. Get out my face.
Man. Get out my face. What? Massa.
Can you get your guy? Can you get this guy?
Learn how to talk to me.
You talk to you about what? You don't respect is earned, okay? Respect is earned. You earn respect. I don't care how old you are. Respect is earned. Respect is earned. I don't care how old you are.
It's okay.
I can't stand him, Daddy. I need to talk to him. I'm not giving him.
Calm down.
It's not given.
Bro,
it's not given.
Massa, I want to wako. Beti wanantia blah. Would you no quite say me minimum breach from Kola? Yeah. But blah, you did Yakwamba. So by a timid number.
Nanny J will be at
home. Can't you so quite the one said that Mokabia and yes, go and so then because first, you know, to BBAC 12 million. 2002. And a second one also see, and I think that 28 million.
Next, I'm making from an opponent to be fancy. We are not
about 3 hours
from a year.
Yeah, they are so no crowd 28 million.
Which is 12 plus
not just a 40 million, 4,000 Ghana.
Wow.
Daddy, what is he?
I'm coming. How can you spend so much money? Why?
What do you mean? How
you spend about 40 million?
I spent what?
40 million.
I spent what?
Just 40. First 12.
I wanted water just to get some. I was thirsty. He couldn't even give me a bottle of water.
Lie.
You got me water.
I'm not giving
Daddy,
you water. I'm not giving water.
He said he spent how much on me?
I'm not giving water.
Did you buy me water? Daddy, you know I don't drink pure water. You know I don't drink this. I drink bottle. He couldn't even give me a bottle of water. Not even a sachet of water. I'm lying.
He said he buy something. What?
Oh, this nigga got me fucked up.
Okay, but Mr. Man, maybe please go. No, me can't say come on. It's more than 4,000.
4,000? Really?
Why you do this? Why you
I
do that?
4,000.
I take you to Ghana. Why you do this?
Daddy, this guy, he couldn't even buy me water. A sachet of water. Why are you lying? Why are you lying with your big head? Tell the truth. You got 3 seconds to tell the truth.
What is saying that
he's lying?
You break
You
some
got
space.
one.
How can you do that?
2. Tell the fucking truth, nigga. Tell the truth.
Come down.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. No, did you buy me water? Did you buy me anything? Did you buy me anything?
No.
Did you buy me anything?
I'm not buying.
I'm a crazy ass bitch.
I know. I can see. I can see.
Need to want to talk. I'm not going to see 40 million.
Blah, blah, blah.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay. I'll
Lying on my motherfucking name. You know who I am?
Come down.
Bow you, man.
I'm popping your fucking head off. Nigga, don't fuck with me.
Efia, come. Hey, I quit catching you a criminal. Or buy your enemy who say we're a criminal.
He didn't buy me nothing. Not even water. He didn't buy me everything I wanted. He said there's no money. He doesn't have money. I'm like, but my dad gave you money. He said, oh, I can't buy it. There's not enough money. We went all the way to the mall. I couldn't even buy. I know. I couldn't even buy.
Massa,
Come here, come say it to my face.
Huh?
Come say it to my face.
Huh? Not 40 million, are they?
With your black ass. Come say it to my face. Come say it to my face. Daddy, you know I wanted to buy makeup. Even an eyebrow pencil to do my eyebrows. He couldn't even buy it for me. Why don't you come say it over here?
And you to come stare over me?
Don't mind.
I'll come.
It's okay.
I'll come. I'll shoot your head off. I'll shoot your head off, nigga.
Come again.
Nigga, I'm from Brooklyn. I'll fuck you up.
Masa, who dia go be be jana abo trimu tu o wote. O kwa sani mu
Crazy
wate
ass
ade na wo ye na ade
Lying
say
ass. Lying on my name. Lying on my name.
Wo dey krokra 3 years say ma di boat o pa o wate. U 3 won apa. Asia wani mu hu kra ba ro kra wa nya.
They are in Ghana. They just be lying on people like that. That's crazy. He didn't buy me
nothing. You
nothing.
didn't fear the face.
Now who go find free?
That be me aduma me
It's your fault. It's all your fault.
It's my fault. Yes, it's my fault.
Then ka woman di nyansa kwan na kwa beji almost 4,000 Ghana cedis within 3 hours.
A day, I spent 4,000 Ghana.
Imagine. For what? On what? I didn't buy nothing. He could even give me.